Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateways to success in ISS exam. As we have been covering the topic Econometrics, which is from paper 3 statistics, descriptive type. And we have covered almost all of the syllabus, only some portion of it is left. So we will be covering it in the coming few lectures and today as well. And I hope you all are doing whatever we are doing in class. I hope you all are getting along with us. If not, if you have any doubts, then you can ask in the comment section or in WhatsApp channel or on Telegram as well. We will answer all your relevant doubts and keep practicing because we have a limited period of time to practice because exam is almost near to us and we have to cover the vast syllabus and it cannot be covered in 1 or 2 days. So let us begin. Today, in the previous lecture, we have completed the topic is simultaneously equation model. And today we will do simultaneous equation model, how to solve it by 2 SLS or 3 SLS method. So let us begin. Suppose we have a model given by so this is the model. For this model, firstly we will calculate order condition or rank condition. So firstly we will talk about 2 SLS method. 2 SLS method is used when our order condition comes out to be overestimated. If our order condition of all the three equations come or even one or two equation comes out to be overestimated, then we use 2 SLS, two stage least square estimation method. And in this you will only calculate whether this in this example the any one or two or all three equations are overestimated or not. I am telling you that they two of them are overestimated and one is not. You will comment in the section, you will comment in the comment section which two are overestimated and which one is not. You will calculate that on your own. Moving on further, first step in this process is to examine order condition, which is order condition, which is firstly we will take capital M, capital K, small k, and if m minus and if capital K minus small k is greater than small m minus 1, then it is overestimated. This is the first step. Now we will move forward to stage 1. Now we will use 2 SLS method as we know that the one or two or all three equations are overestimated. Then we will follow stage 1. In stage 1, we will take the values. We will take form the reduced variables. Reduced form of equation. Suppose first equation was y1t is equals to eta naught 1 plus eta eta 1 eta 1 0 plus eta 1 1 x1t plus eta 1 2 x2t plus eta 1 3 x3t plus epsilon 1t. Let this be the first reduced form of the equation. Similarly for second and for third, it will be eta 2 0 eta 3 0 eta 2 1 x1t eta 2 2 x2t eta 3 2 3 x3t plus epsilon 2t eta 3 1 x1t eta 3 2 x3t eta 3 3, this is 2 3t and epsilon 3t. These are the three forms of reduced these are the three reduced form of equation 1 2 and 3 which is given in the question. Now how will we find? Now we can consider for equation 1, y1 is equals to x eta plus epsilon 1. We can consider this, and by OLS method or GLS method, whatever you can say, by OLS method we will be able to find eta cap, which is nothing but x dash x inverse x dash y1. This is eta 1, and eta 1 consists of what all? Excuse me. Excuse me. Eta 1 is eta 1 0, eta 1 1, eta 1 2, and eta 1 3. We will get these three values. Similarly, for equation 2, we can consider y2 is equals to x eta 2 plus epsilon 2. Here we eta 2 cap will be x dash x inverse x dash y2, where eta 2 cap is nothing as eta 2 0, eta 2 1, eta 2 2, eta 2 3, all caps. And similarly for equation 3, y3 is equals to x eta 3 plus epsilon 3. Eta 3 cap will be x dash x inverse x dash y3, and here also eta 3 cap is nothing but eta 3 0, eta 3 1, eta 3 2, eta 3 3. So these will be our stage 1 process. And now the predicted value of these is y2 cap is equals to x eta 2 cap, y3 cap is equals to x eta 3 cap, and y1 cap is equals to x eta 1 cap. These will be the predicted values of y1, y2 and y3. So now on moving on to second stage. In second stage, we will take the original model. Original model was y1 is equals to y2 is equals to and y3 is equals to. What was y1? Alpha naught, alpha 1, alpha 3, beta naught, beta 1, beta 2. This one was the model. So this can be written as alpha naught plus alpha 1 y2 cap plus alpha 2 y3 cap plus alpha 3 x1 plus u1 beta naught plus beta 1 y1 cap plus beta 2 x2 plus u2 gamma naught plus gamma 1 y1 cap plus gamma 2 x3 plus u3. Okay, so this is the model. Now here again we will take y. We will solve for each equation. For equation 1, equation 1 can be taken as y1 is equals to x alpha plus u1, and by OLS again we can find alpha cap is equals to x dash x inverse x dash y1, and hence we can find the predicted value of y1, where alpha cap is nothing but alpha naught, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 cap. Similarly for equation 2 and 3, for equation 2, y2 is equals to x beta plus epsilon 2. Now by OLS again, beta cap is nothing but x dash x inverse x dash y2, and the predicted value of y2 is x beta cap. Now here beta cap is beta naught cap, beta 1 cap, beta 2 cap. Now for third equation, y3 is equals to x gamma plus epsilon 3. Again by OLS, gamma cap is equals to x dash x inverse x dash y3, and y3 predicted value is x gamma cap, where gamma cap is nothing but gamma naught cap, gamma 1 cap, gamma 2 cap. And this completes our two-stage simple linear regression, two-stage uh, least square estimation method, in which we first the only condition that we need is that the order condition should be overestimated at least for one equation of the model. If it is for all, then it is also good, or one, then it is also good. But if order condition is exactly estimable or exactly identifiable, then it will be again no OLS. We don't need 2SLS method. It will be directly solved by simple OLS method. So this was our 2SLS method. Now we move forward to 3SLS method. Three three-stage least square estimation method. Now in this method, let us take an example where SEM, simultaneously equation model, is given by y1t is equals to alpha naught plus alpha 1 y2t plus alpha 2 x1t plus epsilon 1t. Y2t is equals to beta naught plus beta 1 y1t plus beta 2 x2t plus beta 3 x3t plus epsilon 2t. So in three-stage least square estimation method, the first two stages are common with two-stage least square estimation method. So in the first stage, we will do stage 1. Firstly, we will form the reduced form. So firstly, we will have to check whether the our model, either equation of the model is over identified or exactly identified or under identified. So these two must be over identified or one of them must be over identified. That is your homework. That will you tell me in the comments. Now, what does stage 1 holds? Stage 1 says that first of all, we will form the reduced form of these equations. So y1t can be written as x2t plus eta 3 x3t plus u1t, and y2t can be written as gamma naught plus gamma 1 x1t plus gamma 2 x2t plus gamma 3 x3t plus u2t. These are the two reduced form of the above two equation or the simultaneous equation model that we have been given. Now solving equation by equation again. For equation 1, what does equation 1 says? Now we can write equation 1 as y1 is equals to x eta plus u1. We can write it as it like that. Now again by OLS we will find eta cap as x dash x inverse x dash y1. We have found this. Now where and the predicted value of y1 is x eta cap, where eta cap is nothing but eta naught, eta 1, eta 2, eta 3. Now again for equation 2, we can write y2 is equals to x gamma plus u2. By OLS again, we will find gamma cap is equals to x dash x inverse x dash y2, and here the predicted value of y2 is x gamma cap. So where gamma cap is nothing but gamma naught, gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3, all caps. Okay, so this was our stage 1. Now moving on to stage 2. Now in stage 2 we will put the original model y1t is equals to alpha naught plus alpha 1. This is the original model. Now again for equation 1 we can calculate. For equation 1 we can put y is equals to x alpha plus epsilon 1 y1, and here by OLS we can calculate alpha cap by x dash x inverse x dash y, and again we can find the predicted value of y1 x alpha cap. Okay, and for equation 2 also we can find the similar way. y2 is equals to x beta plus epsilon 2. Now y2 cap is nothing but x dash x inverse x dash y2. This is beta cap, and predicted value of y2 is x beta cap. Where beta cap, you know what is beta cap? Beta cap is the matrix of singular matrix of beta naught, beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. So this completes our 2 stage. Now when do we move to 3rd stage? When we know that, first of all let us calculate the E of both these equations, the residual of both these equations. E1 is equals to y1 minus y1 cap, and E2 which is the residual, y2 minus y2 cap. These two residuals we will calculate. When do we calculate residual? When we have to check the heteroscedasticity of any model. Now if these two models are heteroscedastic, then only we will move forward to phase 3. Otherwise our our 2SLS method ends here. Stage 3 comes when we have heteroscedastic model. If we have heteroscedastic model, then stage 3 comes. Now, what is heteroscedastic? Stage 3. Let us consider epsilon 1 variance of epsilon 1 is equals to sigma 1, and variance of epsilon 2 is equals to sigma 2. Since sigma 1 is not equal to sigma 2, we can say that our model is heteroscedastic. Okay, whenever the variance is not constant, then we say our model is heteroscedastic. This is the one of the problems of our model which we have discussed in previous lecture in detail. So you can watch that video. I'm telling you the shortest form of what is heteroscedasticity here. Now, if our model is like this, then stage 3 is given as, let us consider y1 is equals to x alpha plus epsilon 1. Now we will pre-multiply this with sigma 1 raised to the power 1 by 2. This becomes y1 star, this becomes x star alpha, and this becomes epsilon 1 star. Now the predicted value of this can be alpha cap is given by x star dash x star inverse x star y star. This is the predicted value. Now we will substitute the values of x star and y star in this one. So we will get now multiplying the trace inside, the positions get changed, so it will be x dash inverse this will be it. So it will become x dash summation minus half x summation minus half, not summation, this is sigma x dash y. So this will be our alpha cap. And similarly, we can calculate beta cap. This is sigma 1. And beta cap will come out to be x dash sigma 2 raised to the power minus half x sigma 2 raised to the power minus half y11 x dash sigma 2 raised to the power minus 1 y2. These two will be the real estimators of the heteroscedastic model. And neither this can be written as 3SLS, and this can be written as 3SLS. So these two estimators are neither unbiased nor efficient. So this completes our three-stage least square estimation method, and I hope you got what we have done today. Similarly, we can solve more problems like this, but in the previous year question papers, they have not given it for solving. Yesterday, the question that we were doing was to solve that with 2SLS method. So after solving it into the reduced form, then we will find it in through the 2SLS method, and that term I have explained you today, and you can solve it in your homework. Take it as your homework, and you can solve it today as your homework, and you can show us on WhatsApp that how you have solved. If you have any doubt, then also you can tell us. Keep on working hard, and Thank you. All the best.